welcome to the vlog. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share. I just moved and I literally just got to my apartment. We just unloaded the trailer and now I'm here. Wow, I've been on the road now for 3 days and we finally got here. This is Lani Baby. This is my brother's dog. I moved to Nevada with my brother. Let me give you guys a quick little apartment tour because it's empty and it will not be done for a bit. Also, please excuse my hair. I haven't washed it since I left, so it's pretty crazy. Here's my front door, and as you walk in, this is what you see. So this is all of our stuff. We have a laundry room right here. So this is our dining area. We have a nice little fan. And then here is the kitchen. It is so big, so much counter space. We have a bunch of stuff out right now. We haven't put away anything yet. Brand new appliances, so hell yeah. Hello, there's me. I'm super excited to cook in here. And then we have a little coat closet over here. And then this is our living area. So we have more stuff right there, but this is my brother's TV and his nightstand, and then our living room. It's nice and bright in here. To the left-hand side of the apartment, this is like my half. So there's this little doorway, and what's really cool is it closes. And when you open it, I have a bathroom straight ahead. Okay, and here's my bathroom. I had to buy a new hair dryer, so that's my hair dryer. Some bathroom stuff. A little toilet, a little sink, and we have a little shower here, a mirror here, hello. And then there's another mirror right here. I just bought an over the toilet storage thing because there's not a ton of storage in here for all my shit. So I had to buy that. So I'm probably not gonna be able to really use this, but that is fine. And then here is my bedroom. My bedroom is a decent size. It is very empty. I just have my shit and a closet. Yeah, and the lighting in here is just so good. It's so good. Starting the process of unpacking, getting my space ready, and just starting new, starting fresh, building new habits, setting new goals, reaching those goals, and yeah, we're on the path of becoming our best self, and I'm so excited. A lot of furniture is sold out in a lot of places, so I'm gonna be sleeping on an air mattress for a little bit because my mattress won't be here for like 2 weeks, but that's okay. I might start unpacking a little bit. We have to run a few more errands today. We have to go pick up our couch. We have a Target order waiting for us for pickup, and then we also have stuff from IKEA waiting for us to pick up. I'm just gonna get started on unpacking my clothes and putting them away in my closet. So let's start the first time lapse. Okay, this bag is just like full of my clothes. If you are new to my channel, my name is Brindis. Okay, what do we have in here? I have some shoes. A little bit about me. Let's catch up. I am on a fitness journey. I lost 100 pounds. And you know, during COVID, that did not stay like that. I didn't have a gym. I was not so motivated. Didn't have too much encouragement for myself. Times were tough. It's only up from here. All right, bag number 2. You know, this is my first time moving out. A lot of change is coming, but I'm really excited to be in my own space that's calm and positive. One thing that I relate with a lot of people is trying to have a healthier lifestyle, a more positive lifestyle, but you're in a space that isn't positive, healthy, or calm, to say the least. I understand that struggle a lot, and I can't explain how happy and thankful and grateful I am to be out of that toxic space that I don't want to be in. I really can't believe they all stayed on the hanger. Oh my gosh, so my mom she's Icelandic, and I'm half Icelandic. That's where my name comes from. And this, my friend, is a very, very traditional Icelandic sweater made out of Icelandic wool. And a family friend that is so kind, she actually gave this to me, and very authentic and very beautiful, and I'm very thankful to have it. Lonnie, can you get your little bat ears out? Lonnie, what are you doing? Can you lay down? Oh, okay, so sweet. Thanks. I found it. Okay. I think that's all for now, and then I have so many clothes in another bucket, but I need more hangers. I think I'm gonna set up my bed so I can kind of get a feel for the space a little bit. set up. I put most of my clothes away. I have a whole bunch more. But like I said, I need hangers, so I'm kind of stuck right now. What can I set up? The kitchen. I'll go to the kitchen. Let's go. Cue time lapse. Here comes the boy. Hello, boy, welcome. I'm gonna eat my food. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got a BLTA on a croissant with a salad. I was really craving sweet potato fries, so I got them. And I'll see you guys when I start doing something productive. Hey, update. It is like a few hours later. It's pretty much dark now. I'm super sweaty. We just moved this huge couch into the apartment. I'll show you when we get back. But it's really nice. It's very squishy and comfy. We're picking up an online order from IKEA. We're going to Target to also pick up an online order. Then we have to go to Costco because we have like no food. So we're doing that all right now, and it's 7? Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. So wish us luck. We're at Target. Yeah. We have a lot of stuff. This isn't even all of it that we need tonight. So much shit. Costco, here we come. Second stop is Costco. We literally have 2 whole carts from Costco. I will show you guys everything that we got when we get back. Let's do a Costco and Target haul. First off, we got some towels from Costco. We each got a blanket. I got this one gray and my brother got a blue one. Utensil holder, sponges. This is, we have some dishwasher detergent, dish soap, some Method degreaser spray, Clorox bleach spray for the bathrooms. We have Dave's Killer Bread. This is the white bread. This is literally so freaking good. I am like obsessed with it. Sorry, this is not in like any order, and I'm going super fast because I'm tired. I'm in a rush. We have some utensils right here. Steak knives right here. Farberware, something like that. Honestly, these came in clutch. We couldn't find any like plates and cups and bowls, so we just got these like cheapy temporary ones from Target. And yeah, so we just have 4 cups, 4 bowls, and 4 plates. Here is my shower curtain. I think it's a pretty darn dang cute. Target always knows what to do. The shower liner, organic cauliflower rice. I had these at my friend's house and they were so good. These are the Alaskan salmon burgers. They're so good and like super affordable too. And we got this huge freaking bag of chicken breasts, and this was I think $11, and there's 40 servings. So I can't believe it's not butter. This is not my #1 preference for a vegan butter, but that's okay. Frozen veggies, Kind bars. I have some of my like protein bars on the way, so these are just for the meantime. I got this mixing bowl set from Target, and it comes with these silicone lids, so it can be a mixing bowl and Tupperware. And I'm almost done. So we just got some laundry detergent. And it's the Ecos plant-powered laundry detergent. I'm a sensitive bitch, so a lot of things give me like hives and rashes, and this one is great for me. Some coffee, and then we have some kitchen towels. And that, my friends, is the end. Oh, it's not the end. Oh my god. Okay. Also, I am literally so excited about this. I've been obsessed with the Brew Doctor kombucha. And I found this at Costco. Actually, they DM'd me and told me to get it at Costco. So thank you so much to whoever told me about them. I was keeping my eye out for them, and I'm so excited that I have them. And then I also got oat milk. So I'm all set with my oat milk needs. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of my moving vlogs. I need rest. I need to shower. I will look more presentable in the next vlog. I guarantee it. I don't feel very good right now, but I wanted to vlog this for you guys and vlog my whole experience and share it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I have a job interview in the morning and I'm so excited. It's at a golf course. So beverage cart girl, here I come. I have to just get everything ready for in the morning for my interview, so I might be up a little bit late tonight, but that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the morning for vlog number 2. Thank you so much for sticking around today's vlog, even when I look like this. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and have a great day. Say goodbye, Lonnie Bunny. Lonnie! Say bye!